Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from SiteMate. Managing contract variations can be severely delayed without proper documentation and supporting information, leading to payment delays and contract disputes. With Dashpivot's contract variation app, you can streamline and professionalize your contract variation processes, ensuring you always get paid fairly for the work that you do. In Dashpivot, you can create a contract variation template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I'll search at the top here for contract variation. You can preview the format before adding it to your workspace, and remember that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. Our standard template includes fields such as name, reference, date, and then tables for the variations. We also have a summary table that utilizes our formula feature that referenced the table above. Then towards the bottom, there is a section to add photos as well as sign off. Once saved, the form will be shown in a workflow view like this. Our variation template is designed as a workflow, as you can see, that progresses a form through various stages with automatic notifications to alert relevant parties. This is to ensure that relevant people stay informed for the section that they are responsible for. Forms are then advanced to the next workflow stage through approval signature. So if I scroll down a little bit more at the first signature button here, sign it, and now you see this form. These variations are then automatically compiled into a register. You can use filters at the top to find relevant forms and then export these form data as CSV or PDF. Editing the template format on Dashpivot is easy. Our system features a user-friendly drag and drop system, allowing you to format your template to suit your organization needs. This is also where you can determine how many workflow columns is required for your contract variations. And as we saw earlier, formulas can be implemented in tables to automate calculations, display values, and more, like the one that we have here for the summary table. Logic is another advanced feature that we have in Dashpivot Template Editor. For our contract variation, we have this logic so that when the answer is no to this question, there are two additional text fields that appears. As for the approval signature, you can specify who can sign off at different stages. This feature provides you with greater control over your documents. Next up, we have the list module, which can be used as a database with various properties. Let's look at plant and vehicles list as an example. Here we have the information for each plant and vehicle, as well as a registration expiry column, where you can set notification when a set date is approaching or when it is overdue. Any of these lists can also be linked and used as a drop-down or multiple choice in your template forms in the template editor. Information captured can also be analyzed further using analytics. For example, I've set up a ratio chart here to visualize the stages of the variation forms in total. Supporting photos and videos are crucial for managing contract variations as they provide visual evidence of the work completed or issues encountered. These are attached to the variation forms, but they are also found in the Photos tab. Photo tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS location with a map can also be captured and will be displayed on the left-hand side here when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app. If you need external parties to sign off on your document or review progress photos, they can be added into your Dashpivot workspace in the Users tab under the Visitors section here. With this, you can control their permissions and access similar to your internal team. Variations can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile and tablet application for easy access. The forms are organized in a workflow just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing forms or create a new one using that plus button. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload images from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, they can be marked up to highlight certain details. Photo tags can also be applied during this step for easy searching later on. Photo stamps are also available to display information such as date, time, logo, geotagging, description, and more, as you can see on the bottom left corner there. This can be enabled in your Dashpivot app settings. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to use a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF via an email directly from the app. The app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your variation data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or any other tools. You can try Dashpivot for contract variations today using our sign up link, and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.